Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have not heard of this company before I ordered from them, but this company, IGXO, sells some makeup products, and I think that they are mostly made by, or I don't know if that's the right word, but sponsored by, or they have the names of like famous YouTubers. Maybe helps if I open it the right way. And I don't know who these people are necessarily, but, and I don't even know how I found the site, but if you go to IGXO.com or just Google IGXO, you should be taken to it. And the packaging looked really cute, and I'm a sucker for lipstick and such. So there were two, and I don't know, IGXOcosmetics.com. I don't know if this is from a YouTuber or not, but this one is in the color Swoon, I think. Yes. And then this one is in the color Bougie, which I think is hilarious. So this one's obviously a more purple color, and this one is a little more maroon of a color. But I thought that they were both really pretty, at least online. And I do have a little bit of something on right now, but it is the end of the day. I'm getting ready to go to bed, and I wanted to show you guys these before I did because I may wear one tomorrow. So this one is the Swoon, I think. You know what's weird is it doesn't tell you on, yeah, this one's the Swoon, but it doesn't tell you on the actual lipstick itself. So I'm going to try to just put that on my bottom lip, and then I'm going to hit the other color on top of it. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't really tell a difference on the screen, so I don't know if you guys can or not. I don't have very big lips, but this is what they look like when I put them on my hand. This one is the Swoon, and that one is the Bougie. So the Bougie is on the top, and the Swoon is on the bottom. They are matte, but I do have to say they feel very moisturizing and very nice. It doesn't feel like I have anything really on. I'm trying to let it dry, and then we'll see. Now this is another kit, and it came like this. And this, I think, is a YouTuber. Marielle, I don't know her name at all. But it's cute packaging. And this says smile, fully fine lips with liner, fully line lips with liner, and fill lips with 1 coat of liquid lip liqueur. Lip color. Why am I just, I'm just gonna say it's late and it's Friday, and I don't even know the color of this. It's so weird to me that they don't put the colors on stuff. What is up with this? Okay, this one does say, this one is in the color Karma. This does not say, but this is the liner. And they're all very similar colors, which is funny, but that's what I like. And these also have some sort of scent to them. It's kind of minty and kind of vanilla-y, maybe. It smells really good. Some transfer, but not too much. If I rub it, it comes off. But if I just kiss, not much at all. So far, so good. So, and this kind of looks like the same kind of packaging. This one doesn't smell as good as the others. It doesn't really have much of a scent. And this is, again, a very similar color. A little more red than the others, but it's very pretty. So that is kind of nice. Now, what did she say on here? She said with 1 coat of liquid lip color. So I don't know, but this packaging is really cute. I sometimes hate kind of packaging like this because you can tell that, you know, it's nice packaging, but what do you do with this now? And I mean, being crafty, I might be able to figure out something, but in the meantime, I'll have to like just have this around. But it is very nice. It even has a magnetic closure. And it's very nice. I don't know that I will store my lipstick in there, but I could for now just because I have it on there. But even this is really cute. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I think that it's a very pretty lipstick. I might even put the name of these on them so that I'll have it. Bougie, that just makes me laugh. I had to get that for you, Trace. So, yeah, I guess that's it. So I wanted to try these on before I take all my makeup off tonight, and then I'm going to wear one of these this weekend. So I'm excited. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.